Greetings, Earthlings. Professor Proton here, your friendly neighborhood scientist, beaming in from the Andromeda Galaxy. I've traveled light years to share my love for biology with you all. I'm here on a mission of scientific discovery, and what better place to start than with the building blocks of life itself? Cells. These tiny powerhouses are the foundation of every living organism on this planet. Now, I'm no stranger to a good pun. In fact, I consider myself a bit of a pundit, if you will. My friends say I have a cellular sense of humor, but my true passion lies in the fascinating world of biology. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest ecosystems, biology is a never-ending source of wonder and discovery, and trust me, it's anything but selfish. Every cell has a story to tell, and I'm here to help you uncover those stories. Why am I so excited about cells, you ask? Well, these microscopic marvels are like tiny universes within themselves. They perform countless functions that keep organisms alive and thriving. Because these microscopic marvels hold the secrets to life as we know it. They are the building blocks that make up every living thing, from the simplest bacteria to the most complex plants and animals. From the tiniest bacteria to the tallest trees and even you and me, it all starts with a single cell. Imagine the diversity of life that springs from these tiny units. Now let's dive into the amazing world of mitosis. This process is how cells divide and multiply, leading to growth and repair in living organisms. Get ready for some cellular shenanigans. Mitosis is like a well-choreographed dance, with each phase playing a crucial role in the life cycle of a cell.
Professor Proton's enthusiasm for biology is contagious, and his passion for the subject is evident in every word he speaks. And his puns are just the beginning of our journey into the microscopic world. With his guidance, we'll explore the wonders of cells and the incredible processes that sustain life. Hold on tight, because it's going to be an exciting ride. From the basics of cell structure to the complexities of cellular functions, we're in for a thrilling adventure.
My teaching adventures began with the cutest bunch of kindergartners you've ever seen. Their eyes sparkled with curiosity, and their laughter was infectious. Every day was a new opportunity to introduce them to the wonders of science. We explored the world of cells through colorful diagrams, playful songs, and of course, my signature puns. The kids loved the vibrant colors and catchy tunes, which made learning about cells an absolute joy. We sang songs about the cell membrane, danced to the rhythm of the mitochondria, and even had a little rap about ribosomes. From have a nice celebration to let's get this celebrity party started, laughter filled the classroom as we learned about the nucleus, cytoplasm, and all the amazing organelles that make up a cell. The kids would giggle at my jokes and eagerly participate in the activities, making each lesson a memorable experience. Next up, I had the pleasure of teaching a group of bright and inquisitive teenagers. These young minds were ready to dive deeper into the subject, and their enthusiasm was palpable. They asked insightful questions and were eager to understand the complexities of cellular biology. We delved deeper into the complexities of cell division, exploring the intricate dance of chromosomes during mitosis. We discussed the phases of mitosis in detail, from prophase to telophase, and the students were fascinated by the precision and beauty of this biological process. I could see the celebration in their eyes as they grasped the concept of how one cell divides into two identical copies. Their excitement was contagious, and it was clear that they were beginning to see the magic in the microscopic world.
Little did they know that their newfound understanding of mitosis would soon be put to the test. The knowledge they had gained was about to be challenged in a way they never expected. A mystery was brewing that would challenge everything they had learned. The students would need to use their critical thinking skills and apply their knowledge of cells to solve the puzzle. Get ready for a mystery that's sure to celebrate your imagination. This adventure will take them on a journey through the microscopic world, where they'll uncover secrets and solve mysteries that will deepen their understanding of biology.
One ordinary day, while preparing for my next lesson, I stumbled upon something utterly perplexing. Mitosis, the very process we'd been studying, had vanished. It was like someone had erased it from existence. Textbooks were blank, online resources were silent, and even my trusty microscope seemed to have forgotten how to magnify dividing cells. Confusion reigned supreme as students and I grappled with this baffling disappearance. How could something so fundamental, so crucial to life itself, simply vanish into thin air?
A mystery of this magnitude demanded immediate attention, and Professor Proton was just the scientist to unravel it. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the enigma of the vanishing mitosis.
With a twinkle in my eye and a thirst for knowledge, I assembled my team of young scientists. Together, we embarked on a thrilling investigation to crack the case of the missing mitosis.
We gathered our tools, microscopes, petri dishes, and an arsenal of scientific curiosity. Our first order of business? Examine healthy cells under the microscope, hoping to find clues to mitosis's disappearance.
Hours turned into days as we meticulously observed cells searching for any signs of division. But mitosis remained elusive, like a phantom cellular process.
Just when our hope began to dwindle, a glimmer of an idea emerged. We needed the wisdom of someone older, wiser, and perhaps a bit more nocturnal.
Our search for answers led us to the outskirts of town, where the air was fresher and the sounds of nature were more pronounced. We were on a mission, driven by curiosity and a sense of urgency. There, atop the tallest oak tree, resided a wise old owl, a creature known for its deep connection to the mysteries of the natural world. Owls, as you know, are revered for their wisdom, especially when it comes to understanding the intricate balance of nature. Their keen insight often reveals truths hidden from the untrained eye.
We approached the owl with our predicament, explaining the strange disappearance of mitosis. The owl listened intently, her head cocked to one side, eyes gleaming with curiosity. After a moment of thoughtful silence, she hooted softly.
The answer, my young scientists, lies not in what you can see, but in what you cannot. The unseen world holds many secrets.
Her cryptic words sparked a thought. What if the disappearance of mitosis wasn't due to a physical removal, but rather a hidden manipulation? The idea began to take shape in our minds. We pondered the possibility. Could there be an invisible force at play, something that was altering the very fabric of cellular division? The more we thought about it, the more it made sense.
Suddenly, it hit me. Viruses, those elusive microscopic entities that have a notorious reputation for meddling with genetic material. These tiny invaders have a knack for infiltrating cells and hijacking their machinery. Could a virus be the hidden culprit behind the vanishing act of mitosis? The idea seemed plausible. A mischievous virus, with its ability to manipulate genetic material, could indeed be responsible for the mysterious disappearance of mitosis. We had a new lead, and our investigation was far from over. Back in the lab, we sprang into action, our suspicions fueled by the owl's wisdom. Using advanced genetic sequencing techniques, we were able to isolate and analyze the DNA of the cells we had been studying. And there it was, a tiny but unmistakable viral fragment embedded within the genetic code.
This mischievous virus, we discovered, had a peculiar ability. It could temporarily deactivate the genes responsible for mitosis.
With the culprit unmasked, we set about finding a way to counteract its effects.
After days of tireless research and experimentation, we finally synthesized an antidote, a special serum that neutralized the virus and restored the cell's ability to divide normally.
Mitosis was back, and the world of biology breathed a collective sigh of relief.